Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will be discussing about how stock market works. In fact, how can you make profit from stock market? Let's start with basic question. What is stock market? Stock market, we can also call share bazaar. Share means in Hindi, hissa, bhag. If we call in English, share means division, portion, right? So share of what? Share of company like TCS. TCS is a tech company, Tata Consultancy Service. In stock market, we can purchase a small amount of TCS company. So in stock market, we can purchase the share of company. Is it clear? Stock market में कंपनी की शेयर की खरीदारी होते हैं. I will explain every process how can you do that. But right now, let's understand the process. Now you all are thinking, can we buy all companies share in stock market? There are a lot of companies in India. Can we buy all companies share? Definitely not. We can buy the shares of company which are listed in the exchange. In India, there are two exchanges. One is NSE, National Stock Exchange, and another one is BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange. So we can buy the shares of a company which one listed in the exchange. Company are listed in the exchange through IPO. What is it IPO? IPO means initial public offering. When first time company offer their share to the public through stock market, that process is called IPO. Is it clear? जब फर्स्ट टाइम कंपनी उसका शेयर मार्केट के थ्रू पब्लिक को ऑफर करते हैं, उस प्रोसेस को आईपीओ कहा जाता है. सो व्हाई आर द कंपनीज लिस्टेड ऑन द एक्सचेंज? देयर आर मेनी रीजंस behind to be listed in the exchange, like raising capital from sale of shares, providing liquidity and taking advantage of higher valuation. That's why company listed in the exchange and offer their share to the public. If you want to know more about IPO, then definitely let me know in comment section. I will make another specific video about that. So once company got listed in the exchange, we can transact the share of that company. Is it clear? So till now we have understood what is the stock market is and what we transact in the stock market and why company got listed in the stock exchange. Let's move ahead with next topic. How can you make profit from stock market? Already I said in stock market you can buy share of a company. So how can you make profit? Let's assume XYZ company share price is 100 rupees per share. If you buy at 100 and sell at 105, then your profit will be sell price minus buy price. Sell price 105 minus 100, definitely 5 rupees per share. If you bought 5 shares, then your profit will be quantity of share 5 and profit 5. So your gross profit will be 25 rupees. Is it clear? Similarly, if you buy at 100 and sell lower price at 95, then your result will be in loss and loss will be 5 rupees per share. If you took 5 share, then your gross loss will be 25 rupees. That's the way you can make profit from the stock market, right? There is no rocket science to purchase the stock. Then definitely we will be learning further things. How can you choose the stocks and how can you buy and sell the shares? We will discuss all this later. Right now, maybe another question has arisen in your mind. Why the share price change in a moment? एक ही सेकंड के अंदर शेयर प्राइस चेंज होते रहते हैं. Keep changing the share price. Why? Why is this happen? Let me tell you the fact. Let's assume ABC company share price is around 100 rupees and Ram want to buy of that company share. So he place an buy order at rupees 99.50. Current price is 100 and he place an order 99.50. This price is called also bid price. At the time Sam, there are a lot of trader and investor want to buy and sell of that company. So Sam is one trader of them. He wants to sell the shares of that company because he bought the earlier. So that's why he wants to sell. Because he thinks share price of ABC company will go down. That's why he wants to sell. So he places a sell order at rupees 100.10. Current price is 100. Ram place buy order 99.50 and same place sell order 100.10. Meanwhile, Babu Bhaiya place and buy order 100.10. So now you can see buy price, that is called bid price, and sell price called offer price matched. Both order got executed, deal done, trade done. Now at that moment trading price will be 100.10. Buy price that is called bid price and sell price called offer price matched. Both order got executed, deal done, trade done. Now at that moment trading price will be 100.10. When buy price and sell price match, trade will be done and new share price will be found. This is the way share price changed in a moment. Is it clear? If you want to make money from stock market, then you have to know each and every process. Without learning, you are not going to gain any profit from stock market. So first focus on learning. So guys, now talk about how can you buy the shares of company. If you want to learn all these things in Hindi language, so definitely you should visit our primary channel Tech and Finance. Over there I explain each and everything about trading and investing in Hindi language. So please check the description to subscribe that channel. So how can you buy the shares? Firstly, you have to open Demat and trading account. Like if you want to save your money in bank account, you have to open saving bank account. Same way, in securities market, if you want to buy the share, you have to open two accounts. One is Demat and another one is trading. So what is Demat account? Whenever you purchase the share of company, your share will be stored in Demat account as electronic format. Have you understood? So Demat account में share store होते हैं. So what is trading account? With trading account, you can buy and sell the shares of company. After purchase the share will be stored in a Demat account. But how can you purchase? Through trading account. Is it clear? Like mobile application, web-based trading terminal. Through this electronic trading terminal, you can purchase the share of company. After purchase the share will be stored in Demat account. So now the thing is, how can you open Demat and trading account? It's a very easy process. Within 10 minutes, you can open your Demat and trading account. And from next day, you can start your trading and investing journey. Before open the account, you have to choose right stock broker to open Demat and trading account. Like if you want to open saving bank account, you have to go the branch, various types of company like HDFC, SBI. There are a lot of banks in India, right? So you have to choose right stock broker to open your Demat and trading account. Similarly, there are a lot of broker in India like Zerodha, Upstocks, Angel Broking, Sekhan, Alice Blue. I will put all the links of account opening in the description of video. If you want to help from us, then definitely you can contact with this WhatsApp number. We will be there to help you in order to open your Demat account. After successfully opening your account, you will receive login credentials to login broker trading terminal. With those login credentials, you can easily log in broker trading terminal. You can download app of that broker also. So successfully account open, you will receive login credentials to login broker trading terminal. You can download mobile app also of that broker. Like Kite is a Zerodha trading terminal, Zerodha app. You can download, right? Then you have to put login credentials to enter the app. And after that, you can easily transact the share. You can buy for delivery. You can buy the shares for intraday. So till now, we have discussed about what is the stock market, how stock price move, how can you enter the stock market, how can you open Demat and trading account. So in the next video, we will be discussing how can you open Demat and trading account with Zerodha, Upstocks and Angel Broking. These are the three famous brokers at where you can open your Demat and trading account. So that's all for this video. If you have any questions regarding this, feel free to ask on comment section. I will be there. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.